What up guys, Cool Guy here, and today I am going to be doing a review on bones, I think like baby bones or stuff like that. I'm going to dump them out because, so you can see them, I have this napkin, so yeah. I got them from school, I went to science lab, and I got them, because we were dissecting something, like a part of an owl when it sparks up something. I don't know what it's called, I forgot. If my face is too dark, just I'll try to brighten it up. Let me try to focus on it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, I got you closer to me. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I have the napkin here. I have all the bones on here. Oh, you can't see them? Okay, this flow. Here. Okay. I have like all the bones. Get them up. Like all the bones. I just don't want to drop any. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, okay. Uh, okay. Never mind. I'll just show them to you. I'll just put them in like my hand. Mm. I know I'm a slow poke. I'm just taking my time. Don't want to drop any. Don't want to miss any. Eh, they're like so tiny. Okay. So these are what they look like. These are what they look like. And just focus on it. That's what they look like. Okay. I have a claw. I have this claw. See that? Yeah. I'll try to focus on it. It doesn't make it darker. Okay, whatever. I think, yeah, it's a claw. As you can like see that orange thing right there. Yeah, you can see that orange thing right there. Oh my leg. Okay. It wasn't like this. I'm guessing this part. It wasn't that. It's so furry. Like, okay. That's just wood. This is like a back leg bone. It's like a backbone. Like a back leg bone. Looks like a chair stand. Like those old chair stands. Here's another claw that I have. It's like the tiny claw. And it was part of this until it broke. So this is like part of a hand or something, and it broke off. Like there's like a tiny piece on it. And there was like a tiny piece on it. And then here's like a shoulder blade. A shoulder blade. That's a shoulder blade, and I'm guessing this is part of a jaw or rib. I'm guessing. But I know for a fact that this is probably a rib. I think this is probably a rib. I'm not sure. If you guys know what this and this, I think it is part of a jaw. But just let me know in the comments below what you think this is. I think it's like a rib or something. But here's like another, like I found a bunch of legs. Cause me and my friends were like searching, like we found some stuff. We were like getting it with like tweezers, like poking it, like getting off the fur and stuff. But yeah, let me try to focus my face. Okay, yeah, there we go. So yeah, so it's like this tiny piece. I think it's a leg bone. Look at that. It's so skinny. Here, I'll get it from like an ankle. Oh. It looks like that. Yeah. It's smaller. It's smaller in real life than it is on camera. It's like smaller in real life than it is on camera. But yeah. It is what it is. So, yeah. These are just like the. Oh, I forgot about this one. Like I said, leave the stuff in the comments below. What do you think? I don't even know what this is. I think it's part of this. Because it has like the same pattern as this one. Because it has like tiny lines. Like that one. Like right here. You can't like see it because it's on camera. But, yeah. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this review on bones that I got today. Let me focus. That I got today. So, yeah. Just leave it in the comments below what these bones are. Cause I have like no clue. I know this one for a fact is a claw. I know these two for a fact are claws. Yeah, I know for the fact they're claws. But yeah, leave in the comments below what you want me to do next. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a like down below, please. Like if you want more. Subscribe if you want more videos. Go check out my friends. They make cool videos too. So yeah, I'll probably leave their names in the description below. So yeah, please subscribe. That'll help me a lot. But thank you guys for the support so far. My goal is about 15 or 20 subscribers. I'll probably do a video on like my 20 subscribers video. At least 20 subscribers, but I have like 12. Please subscribe to my channel. Like. Stay cool. Peace.